ॐ सहना भवतु भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तः पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। Hari Om Namaskar. So, at the time of death, what happens? Eki bhavati. All our senses come together, and then what happens? What happens then? We know where we are going. That's what is said. And then we choose the doorway through which we are going, and then we actually go. That is why they say dead and gone. What do they say? क्या बोलते हैं? मर गया। यानी क्या? यहाँ कुछ हुआ और फिर कोई गया. Don't we all say in all languages there is this thing, na? Phrase. मर गया. मरी गयो. In Telugu, what is there? I don't know. Come on, you have to tell me quickly. So, mar gaya. Tamil also there must be some phrase like that. Huh? Chet poyache. Dead, gone. Right? So something goes, right? The body is here. Then what has gone? So typical people will say life has gone. Right? So we say the one who lives has gone. What do we say, the difference? Science will say what has gone? Science will say what? Life has gone. What do we say? The one who is living, that is why he is called Jiva. Jiva means what? Jivati iti Jivaha. One who is living is called Jiva. So what happened to this Jiva? He is gone. So when he has gone, what happened? Huh? He took everything that was there which made us alive. He's taken that also. So the subtle body is the one that has left and gone. Now you will say, Swamiji, we came here for knowledge of Brahman and you are only giving us knowledge of what? Jiva. We don't want to know this Jiva. My dear, you have to know this Jiva. According to me, the first step would be from thinking that you are a body to thinking you are a Jiva. Okay? This must come very strongly in you. Then the next step is what? From the Jivahood to the Brahmanhood. You'll say, Swamiji, no, your own thing you are saying. No, I'm talking about Shankaracharya ji said. Aha, okay, now. Because sometimes we have to take this backing, Otherwise they'll say, what she's saying, and what do we care? आपको जो बोलना है बोले, हमको शंकराचार्य जी बोलते हैं उसकी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस लगती है. अच्छा ठीक है. So I will tell you what Shankaracharya ji said. Where did he say? Immediately question. In Viveka Chudamani. Oh, okay, that is also authentic. Shankaracharya also authentic. Now you say what you want to say. Okay, now the thing is, he said, what? Now look at that. When I want to say it, it's not coming. But I get it, don't worry. Deho hamityeva jadasya buddhihi. What? A normal. Jadasya buddhi means not jada. Jada means an ordinary person. A regular person. जो सामान्य व्यक्ति होता है, वो क्या कहता है? क्या कहता है? देहो हम. मैं कौन हूँ? देह हूँ. देहो हमित्येव जडस्य बुद्धि. फिर मंत्र साधना कैंप में आते हैं, फिर क्या बोलते हैं? देहे च जीवे विदुषस्त्वहं दिहि. What? Dehe cha jive cha. As the jiva and the body, or as the jiva in the body, as the jiva with the body, whatever you want to call it. Vidushastva ahamdihi. The ahamdhi of a more advanced spiritual seeker is what? Dehe cha jive cha. Is that understood? Right? And then he says, Viveka Vijnanavato Mahatmanaha. For Viveki and Vijnani Mahatma, Brahma Hamityeva Mati Sadatmani. What does he say? Aham Brahma. That is their Mati. So which level are we in? Dehoham. Now we have to go to where? Which one? Jivoham. Are you understanding why? Because many times we came for Brahma Jnanam, now she is giving Jiva Jnanam. I am not giving, first of all, even this text is saying the same thing, okay? Yes? This must become strong. I am the Jiva. I am telling you, this bhav itself, so much of your worldly problems will go away. अगर जीव भाव में ही रहने लगे ना, तो ये सांसारिक इतनी सारी मुसीबतें क्या हो जाएगी, वही समय पे खत्म हो जाएगी. पहली बात तो लगेगा कि I have to go. That is for sure. Is it true or not? How sure you are that you have to go from here? Very sure. है कि नहीं? इधर से जाना है वो आपके बिल्कुल. एंड जो लोग को जाना है 1-2 दिन में, तो उनका तो बिल्कुल सब. एंड दे आर ऑलरेडी प्लानिंग. फिर हम पलनी जाएंगे, तिरुवन्नमलाई जाएंगे, गुडी जाएंगे, इंगे जाएंगे, इंगे जाएंगे. नथिंग. दे आर हियर, नॉट हियर एट ऑल एनी मोर. आई टोल्ड यू दिस विल हैपन. And then our other sadhaks are very helpful also. Where you want to go? I will give you all address. No, you must contact. Are Vare Mahapurushas. No, I know. You don't worry. I. Okay, very good. Swamiji, how do you know? I told you, policeman, Purva Janma. I don't think policemen do so much, but maybe some detective or something. Some definitely in that one only I must be. So anyway, so dehe cha jive. That is why it's so important to have this what? Jiva bhav. Understand that this is the. Now what happens? So marana time. At the time of going, you can identify with right now also going, that also, but at the time of going, already the mind what? Haven't you seen so many people getting detached from their family members towards the end? Have you not seen? They don't really care. A bacha hai. Some of them are too much attached, and some of them, they've withdrawn. And then the beta, okay, very good. Then the beta feels, I am your beta. Yeah, you fine, beta. I have to go now. At that time, what will be important? Please tell me. Sometimes when you know you just have to go, all the other things which you think are important in this place, will it be important? For example, someone said this, I am going tomorrow, you say what you want to say, right or wrong? If I am going tomorrow, you can say what you want to say. I don't mind, because I am never going to meet you again. So, what? Are you getting? So even in the end, I have seen some elder people getting really nicely detached, which is fantastic. Because now you have to prepare for, okay. And some are बच्चे के बच्चे की नहीं, बेटे की बहू का भाई की पत्नी का someone's wedding, I have to go. अरे but why do you have to go for that? नहीं नहीं, आशीर्वाद देने के लिए. देखो, आशीर्वाद देने के लिए नहीं जाना चाहिए, उनको आशीर्वाद लेने के लिए आना चाहिए. Is it true or not? बोलो ना. I am the elder in the family, so I have to go and give आशीर्वाद. अरे, if you are the elder in the family, what should you do? बोलो. अरे बोलो. Swamiji, they won't come, so I only have to go. Isn't it all interesting life? I'm telling you, when you sit over here, you can think about all this. That is why they satsangatve, nisangatva. You start thinking about all these things. Here you will think of, when you go back, that only, this is only, that way only it happens. They can't. Here you can think of alternatives. Is it true or not? Should you or not? Bolo. So what happens, Maranasan, at the time of death? No? What goes with you? And please, now at the time of death, when we say, no, everyone thinks old age, old age. Arey Rama, any guarantee we will not go today? So don't say such things, please. Why early morning and all that, saying all these type of things, don't say. So what, night you can say or what? Many people talk like that, na? Subah subah ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए. अरे सुबह सुबह नहीं बोलना चाहिए, क्या होता है? Any guarantee? So, Swamiji, then today if I'm going to die, I'm going. I want to be with whom? My family. So, what happens? Are you understanding what I'm trying to tell you? Yeah? That this time, Antakala, what happens, what goes with you? We said, no, 3 things, na? Vidya, Karmani, Purva, Prajnana. This is what is given in this language. So I talked about 3 types of results. What are the 3 types of results? Quickly. One is what? Which you get as you do the action. Karma karte samay jo andar sukh dukh hota hai waha. Second was what? As an external circumstances, the condition of the body and mind. We will call it punya or papam. And the third is what? Vasana. It leaves an impression. The action leaves an impression. Dekhiye, it goes through these phases. It will come a little later also. But since I need to explain, I'm not explaining in this traditional way of going through the book and all. I'm just explaining the whole thing. So, what happens is, see, every action that you do, जो भी कर्म करते हैं ना, क्यों करते हैं? Because you have a desire. No action is done without a desire. Even the slightest action is done with a desire. Even you scratch like that, why? Something is uncomfortable, so you scratch. Is it true or not? Yeah, something is there. You change your position, you do some small action also, so there is something inside that's happening, and that's why you do it. Is it true or not? Yes. I really like the way, these girls, the way girls, boys also, anything, nowadays everything happens. So, they will purposely bring their hair in the front. Then, or they will do with their hand. Bhagwan ne 2 अच्छे हाथ दिए हैं. And whole life goes in what? Have you seen that? Arey Rama, it's like the cow's tail. Every time it will keep on doing what? Why? Some makhi is there. Isn't it true? Arey bhai, 2 beautiful hands are given for what? And almost unconsciously it happens, na? Or some subconscious, this is there, whatever it is. So even that action, there is some, is it true or not? They want to look better or whatever, I don't know. Okay? I always tell them, either tie it up or keep it all open. Let it hang here so that it's nice. Now you can see it like, from... It's nice, nothing wrong with that. It's good. Boys do their own quirky things, that's okay. So these are actions which are almost unconscious but not totally unconscious. Haven't you seen? That collar is there and tie and collar, if they wear tie and collar. But why so many times? Have you seen that when they wear the suit, they keep buttoning that and then opening the button? But क्यों? Either keep it buttoned or होता है कि नहीं? बोलो. Lifting pants. All. But रखो ना जहाँ रखना है. What is the problem? Yes or no? I'm just giving examples so that you all don't have to feel bad. Okay. So even such actions, there's a desire behind it. Okay, any other actions, of course there is a desire behind it. Strong desires are also there. So no action happens without a desire behind it. Okay, right. So desire is there and then action is there. After the action happens, what happens? Naturally, it will give result. Karma hoga to fir karma phal aayega. When the phala comes, you enjoy it or suffer it, right? जब कर्म फल आएगा तो उसको हम भोगते हैं, तो भोग होगा. And once the bhoga happens, it will leave an impression. Yes or no? Right. Now that impression will prompt what? Future action. Now they say, next time there is a mantra sadhana camp at Chinmay God. I'm not going. Or, oh, I want to go. Whatever is the impression. I don't know what impression is there. Whatever is the impression, what will you do? That Vasana will, and for those who, even if you've stayed for a week or 2 weeks, some impression this place would have created. Is it a fact or not? It cannot help but create an impression. And even I can't help but have created an impression in your mind. Good or bad is all yours. But some impression I must have created, right? When the name Vimalananda is said, someone will say, whatever it is. Got it? So that impression in future will prompt what? Any action. You hear Vimla, oh, I want to know. Oh, you know what happened to her. Oh, what happened to her? You understand? So that impression will prompt what? Action. Right? And that action will give what? No, it will create a desire, and the desire will create an action, and action will create a result, and result will create a bhoga, and bhoga will create a vasana, and vasana will create a desire, will create a, come on, action, result, bhoga, vasana, desire, action, phala, bhoga, vasana, desire. Come on, everyone. You are doing it all the time, is what I'm saying. This is what has created this Janma Marana. This is exactly what is said. Okay, you create. Now, so beautifully, it says Vidya, Karmani and Purva Prajna. So, we already said that the action that you do, that immediate result is there with you anyway. Right? So, now the other two are in the future. Right? So, what you have not enjoyed or suffered now and here will get carried forward to when it has to come. Okay? So, that whatever is there, now, Swamiji, now this Janma I am what? Human being. So, next Janma will be what? It is said in the next mantra only, but I am just telling you, then when it comes, we will just go through it. Next Janma will be what? Will it be only human being? There is no such rule. Why? Because in this Janma also, one could have acted. I'm not saying you or me, why should I say that? One could have acted like a pig. Or what will happen? Okay, you don't like that. Peacock. Because certain type of things that type of vasana, if someone just keeps lying around like that all the time, then Bhagavan said, why waste a human body? You can do this better in a bhais body. Right? Bhais kya hai? Buffalo. Then why should I waste a human body? You will also be better. Because in this human body, if you are called bhais, you don't like it. In the bhais body, if you are called bhais, you are fine. Are you understanding ना? अब भैंस को थोड़ी हम कहते हैं देखो पड़ा रहता है, तो पड़ा ही तो रहेगा और क्या करेगा? Are you understanding? So Bhagwan also is very sensible. He doesn't go by this, He says, okay, fine, finish all your bhais vasanas here and you will be fine. And then you can take what? Whatever body. So, see, I'm not very good at accounts, so I might make mistakes in account, but the simple basic thing that I know. I don't know, but there's, anyway, most of the things I don't understand, but I understand this much, that there is something called profit and loss. right? So when you keep your account, credit and debit, that's how they say. And I had this economics teacher who taught me something. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Is it right? Yes. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Is that okay? Fine. Only these two things I know. So what happens? You make a balance sheet. My balance sheet never matched. In the end, these two figures had supposed to match. For God alone knows the reason why they are supposed to match, but they were supposed to match. They never matched for me. So I'm not going into more details. You can understand how bad I was. So anyway, so what happens? You have this profit and loss, you have this debit, credit, all the thing. And when Diwali comes, the Guju Bhai does his chopra. What is this called? His books. All of us also do. When taxing, this, and we make the whole thing, right. And then what happens? Then the new account, what do? We have a final account. Don't we have a final account? All the transactions that we've done and all. Then use a final account. It can be profit, it can be loss, it can be anything. And that is the figure you carry forward as the first entry in the next year. Is that right? This is what you carry forward, right? Now, imagine this that you have is not just what you did this year, but because that first entry was also what? Carry forward of the previous year, and that was a carry forward of the previous year, and that was a carry forward of the, and, okay. So now I should have not say we die, what will happen? This is what is said by the last. Okay, now this figure will decide. You get the point. That is the carry forward that is going. So don't say only in this lifetime, but this lifetime will matter a lot or not. Otherwise you say, Purva Janma. And then this life also will, because this is there. Na? If you made a lot of profit, then that will show a good, nice, hefty profit. And is it okay? See, the example has limitations. Ye example ka limitations hai. Don't, everything of the example don't say carry forward. Okay. So, it goes. So, kya jata hai? Dekhiye, we said na 3 phal hai. The first is you are enjoying or suffering here. The second one is the one that decides your yoni and sthana. What does it decide? What? Yoni and sthana. Yoni means the species in which you are born, and sthana is the place in which you are born. What? Kya? See, don't read over there. Nothing is going to be written over there, okay? I'm speaking all of this. So you have seen, na, that you have read whatever I have talked to you, you have read. So I'm giving you a lot more. I told you, for me, the book is only a medium. I'm here to give you knowledge. Is that okay? This is a medium, because this gives me a chance to speak about Vedanta. And it is what is said also. I'm not saying anything which is not said in the book. It's the whole principles are all here. I'm just elaborating them. So what does it decide? The yoni and the sthana. Yoni means what? The species. A very powerful thing, your papa punya. And whatever fructifies, it's like if you have taken a what is it called? Student loan. Not student loan. You have put money for insurance, for student insurance. No, the parents do, na? Education? Education insurance. Wonderful. So, what do you do when the child is 5 years only? Because you know that one college and all is going to be costly. So, what do? You do a education insurance. So, what will happen? It will mature when they are 18, let us say. And then you have a good, nice amount which you can pay for getting into college. है ना? हम करते हैं ना student education. किसी को ये पैसे नहीं है तो पहले से insurance लेके रखते हैं so that you get it nice. So they call that the policy has matured. बोलते हैं ना ऐसे ही शब्द. Mature. What is mature? Meaning it will now give you result. Right? It is mature. The policy has matured. Or even if you have a fixed deposit, 5 years you have put, तो क्या होता है? 5 साल के बाद में it has matured. Then you can put it back also if you want to, but you can get some particular amount. And if you break it in between, you don't get the amount that you were meant to get. I hope it works like that only. Okay, fine. So now we also have kept on putting papa and punyam. Is that okay? And then what happens? Whatever is the one which is prabal, which has really matured, will fructify. Is that okay? I put seeds of different trees. अलग अलग वृक्ष के बीज मैं बोती हूँ. I give the same amount of water in the same soil, everything, and yet one gives fruit in 5 years, one gives in 2 years. एक फल 10 साल के बाद देता है, right? But I am putting the same amount of water, the same place, and yet they are giving fruits in different places, different times. Why? Why? क्योंकि हर बीज जो है अपने समय पे फल देता है. Is that okay? Similarly, the karma that I am doing takes its own time. Is that okay? And comes at the right time with the right circumstances that you, the jiva, is supposed to enjoy or suffer. Is that okay? So I am supposed to suffer a particular thing at this time, in this body, in this place. I will do it that way. I am supposed to enjoy something at this time, in this body, in this place. I will have to do it that way. Is it okay? So therefore, what happens? The papa punya will also be there to decide what your, what? Yoni and sthana. So therefore you choose your parents, okay? You choose your body. But Swamiji, I don't like my nose. Then you can do a nose job here, okay? That's okay. Are you understanding? You have chosen this particular body. Each one of us has chosen our body, our parents, the place we were born. Place doesn't mean exact house and all that. I mean all of it. I am born in India. I am born in a particular family. ये मेरे माता पिता सब क्या है? Who decided? Who? Who? My karmas, okay? Please don't blame someone or the other. Nahi, Bhagwan, na, I catch him, na. He is the one who only gave the result, the marks. He corrected the paper and gave the marks. You wrote the exam. Is that okay? But most people, children are Mahapurushas. They always say, my paper went very, I expect 90 marks. And then they get 70. Then they'll say, what? Teacher was bad. And then when the paper is opened, they realize they should have got 50. Actually, कुछ भी लिखा है. होता है कि नहीं होता है? बोलो. But the teacher is fair. And here the teacher is not different. Here is the human teacher. Who is this? You understand? So the result will be what? But did I deserve this husband? Yeah, you deserved him. Arey, come on. Or wife. I mean, come on. Are you understanding what I am saying? So what does that mean? When you get whatever you get, what should your thinking be? What should your thinking? Supposing you get something which is unpleasant, what should your thinking be? I must have done something to get this. May I never do such things to get this. Is that okay? Should that not be our reaction? Or what is our reaction? What have I done? Why me? What? मेरे कोई एक्सीडेंट क्यों हुआ? दूसरे को होता तो चलता. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. Are you understanding? Yes. And we don't see, many times when something unpleasant happens, we don't see all the good things that have happened to us. That we happily forget. That's why I keep saying in between, say thank you to God, thank you to God. What? You've got a human body. Please say thank you. You have got 5 senses, working condition. You have 5 pranas are also working, that's why you are here. Right? Some of you, I think, are sleeping late. That is why in the morning you're looking. Okay, fine. Some of you are sada tad bhava bhavita. So, what do we find? That it decides our yoni and sthana, the place where we are born, the species. And I'm telling you, see, it's like that. Supposing I am invited for a New Year party, 31st December. That party in some maybe 5-star hotel. Now, what should I wear? I should wear clothes, no, not me, why should I say me? Someone else. They are invited, I will keep wearing this only, what else will I wear? That's why I was just thinking, I said, Mom, where is the question of me wearing anything else? Okay, fine. So, someone is invited to a party. So, what will they wear? If you are invited to a wedding, what will you wear? Will it be different or not? It will be different. So, depending on the sthana, you wear the dress. Dress is the body. Okay? You take the body according to the place and all. Supposing you are going to be born in a forest, you would probably be... So what decides? No, your yoni and sthana are both related to each other. What I am trying to say is what type of a dress you wear, where you will go. Now supposing I am born to parents who are Indians, so my skin color will be what? This is what the skin color will be. You get the point? Because I am born to what? Indian. My genes will have what? Indian origin. Isn't it true? If they do a DNA test, it will not all of a sudden be what? African American or something like that, or an African or from some Timbuktu or something. It will be what? Indian. They will say that what nowadays they do no genealogy, and then they find out. And I tell you strange things, because everything in the world has all come together now. So people who may be completely what? White in color may have some origin, some 5-10 generations back, coming from what? Africa. Because it's become also this and all, they look white, but some part of it, 5%, 10%, they give like that figures also. So I was really curious to know where I am from. I tell you, really, I consulted, I asked someone also, can we do that, it will be fun to know. Time pass, nothing else. Just, I do all this for just entertainment. So, maja aata hai na? So anyway, so this genealogy is there and all that. So what happens is this yoni and sthana is chosen by us. The jiva has chosen this, okay? And it knew it. It knew. That's how it went there. So having understood, have gone. And then how I behave in that particular body will be decided by my vasanas. Is that understood? So purva prajna. What will I do there? Then I will have a tendency towards this and that. In the good old days, पहले ज़माने में क्या करते थे? वो बच्चा होता था 1-2 साल का होता था या ये इसके, तो उसके सामने 4-5 चीज़ रखते थे. एक तो पेन रखेंगे, फिर स्वॉर्ड तलवार रखेंगे, फिर पैसा गोल्ड रखेंगे, और चौथा कुछ औजार रखेंगे, some axe or hammer or something like that. And then they will see what he's picking up. Then they say पेन पकड़ता है तो उसका क्या है? ब्राह्मण वृत्ति है उसका. ऐसे ऐसे बोलते थे, right? Now what we mean over here is, don't we all have this thing also? When they do aptitude tests and all that, what do they find? What do they find? They find our inclinations, जो हमारी वासना जो होती है वो दिखाती है. Some people have a natural aptitude towards numbers. Isn't it true? Maths is there. They really know, they understand very well. And if they put figures in front of me, I get scared. I don't understand. For example, I don't know how many of you had this experience. When we went to school, we had to learn something called logarithms, right? At least during my time, it was still there. For the life of me, I never understood what it was or its application in any form. I have never understood what it's all about. So, see, another thing is, it's a very interesting thing. I didn't understand maths, but I used to get highest in maths. Bhagwan knows how. You get this strange things. I actually have very low aptitude. Each one will have this. Some will have an aptitude for languages. Some will have an aptitude for what? For music, for this. जन्म से होता है कि नहीं? जो म्यूजिकल फैमिली में उसका जन्म होता है, सब माता पिता सब गाते हैं, तो very likely the child will have such vasanas. Is it true or not? And it is enhanced because from childhood he is listening to good music. Got that? My lecture, no, please don't sit with eyes closed, okay? Everyone eyes open only. Because after you close your eyes, what happens inside, I don't know. Till your eyes are open, at least I know what's happening inside. Okay. But Swamiji, they are naturally closing. I'm not trying to close. They just close. person who's awake, it starts looking who is sleeping. You don't worry. So your behavior in a particular yoni will be because of, in this lifetime, you think about all the things you do and all that, you will find that all of this is prompted by your, what? Vasanas. I told you all of you are here because you must have had some spiritual vasanas, otherwise you would not be. And even if you came by mistake, you would not last. Got it? Sometimes we go into some place and then you say, this is not my cup of tea, and you get out from there. Haven't you done that before? कोई जगह गए और फिर लगा कि ये मेरे इसका नहीं है. It may be very nice, it may be wonderful, but it's not for me. Sometimes you go just out of curiosity, enjoy, and then you get out from here because you say, it's good to see, good to know. If you're a person who, like me, who likes just to know a lot, person who just likes to know everything, that how the world works is something I'm very this about. So what will I do? I'll go there, but I know this is not the place that I would like to stay. Even people also, I keep talking to this, but it's not that I want long-term relation with a particular person or something like that. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So therefore, what do we understand? That our own inclinations, our own vasanas, हमारी जो वासना है, वो हमारा पूरा का पूरा behavior guide करती है. Is it true or not? Some people are very neat and tidy. Everything should be like that in place. I'm not one of them. You think I'm like that, but I'm absolutely not like. So each one will have this thing. Some are like that. Some are completely people's person. That's why they say in our they make it into 4 types. L1, L2, R1, R2. Have you heard? Left brain, right brain. Yeah. So L1 is all numbers. Why I'm saying is this is all your what? Vasana guided behavior is what I'm trying to tell you. They are all numbers, facts, the way they talk will be also very, very interesting. The person went and he went 20 degrees to the right. Why 20? And then he went for 3 kilometers, and then after 3 kilometers he took a roundabout turn, took the left exit, number 3, went on this, and then traveled for so much time, and then the exact, and they are always number quoting in between. Have you noticed that? So this is called L1 brain at work. Then the L2 brain will be cautious, systematic, organized, detail, kata. That is called what? Which brain? L2 brain. R1 brain is the what? Crazy, spiritual, nothing organized, all a lot of talent. Talented people, how they are, na? Something. And R2 will be all people. Always they will talk. When I went, as I was going on the left side, there was a lady and her child was sitting there. And that L1 person will not think of child. He will only think of number and kilometer. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So this is what our vasanas, okay. What they are doing is actually telling us about our vasanas. So this is what we take. What I'm trying to say is that this is what we take. And then the next lifetime, what do? We display it, happily display it. Are we doing this or not? From where did you get it? And then interestingly, Bhagwan is great. L1 person gets married to R1 person, predominantly. One is talking number, and that other one is saying, what is this one talking? And then this one also says, what? Arey, kuch to kuch. One is always analyzing, judging this, that and all. And the other is what? Always, chalta hai. Hota hai ki nahi hota hai, bolo na. And if one people are married together, the house is a chaos, number 1. Isn't it true? So Bhagavan keeps this. So how did you get? Now see, the Punya Papa keeps on giving things to you throughout your life also, okay? That's the second result, keeps coming again and again, till you die, everything. And in the process of going through all of that, what do? We create more, what? Vasanas, okay? So in terms of karma, how it is explained, we will see tomorrow. Now I want you all to think about what I have spoken today, analyze what we are going to take with us in this lifetime when we quit. What Punya Papa do you imagine that you will be taking with you in this life, from this. What your baggage is going to be, vidya, karmani, purva jnanam, what is it that you'll be taking with you? Just think about that. And remember, right now, who are you? I know you're Brahman, everything is there, but right now, what are you going to identify yourself as? Jiva. Get that very strong in you. Then we'll go to Brahma Bhava. That I am a Jiva, I am doing Punya Papam all the time. What is it that I will be gathering? And look objectively, because you yourself are looking at yourself, okay? No one else is looking at you. So don't either glamorize or put yourself down. Look at it as it is. What type of a person you are and how you will be and what is the thing you're going to gather. Because it is given very clearly. Vidya, karma, purva jnanam. What your bag is going to be. Think of it. We don't know about purva janma, but at least this janma, whatever we have lived, we know, na? So what is your bag going to carry? Think about it. Write it out if you have to. What do you think your bag is going to be? I'm saying only Om because I'm giving that time to